how to remove payment method from Microsoft account. So if you want to remove or delete your saved credit card or debit card or any payment method from your Microsoft account and you don't know how to do that, then this video is going to be very helpful for you. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. So let's begin the tutorial. First of all, come over to official website of Microsoft, microsoft.com, and then click on sign in or person or account icon at the top right corner and log into your Microsoft account using your email or phone number and password. Once you logged into your Microsoft account, click on your profile at the top right corner and then here click on My Microsoft Account. And it will land you on this page of your Microsoft account. Now here on the left section under your Microsoft account, you will see payment options. So here click on payment options. And here you can manage your added payment method on your Microsoft account. So to see the payment method that you have added to your Microsoft account, here scroll down a little bit. And here you can find your linked or saved credit card or debit card or any payment method that you have added to your Microsoft account. And in order to remove or delete the payment method from your Microsoft account, you will see remove option under your saved payment method. So as I have linked my credit card to my Microsoft account, under my credit card, I have remove card option. So if you have linked credit or debit card to your Microsoft account, then you can find remove card option under your credit or debit card. And if you have added PayPal, Venmo or any other payment option, then also under that you can find remove option. So here click on remove or remove card in order to remove your payment method from Microsoft account. And on the right, a new menu will appear, and here just at the bottom right, you can find remove option. So click on remove. And that is my credit card has been removed from my Microsoft account. Now here let's click on close. And that's it. As you can see, there is no added payment method on my Microsoft account. And that's pretty much it is. That's how you can remove or delete your saved or linked payment method on your Microsoft account. And if you found this video helpful, then make sure you leave a like and comment in this video. And if you want to turn up two-step verification on your Microsoft account, then watch this video and I will see you in the next one.